Hello and welcome everyone and welcome to this vlog. So yes, post-result vlogs are always a mix of emotions. We are really sad for the students who could not clear, and we are equally happy for the students who cleared in this particular attempt. So yes, I have been interacting with a lot of you on calls, on messages, on emails regarding your results, regarding your future, regarding your preparation for the next levels, regarding your preparation for the earlier levels, regarding everything. I have been interacting with all of you, and now I am in front of you just to discuss some more things in that particular preparation which I have in mind for all of you. So yes, to assist in your preparations, I have handpicked teachers from the entire country and have formed a CMA dream team. Yes, the dream of becoming a CMA made easy for all of you. So, while choosing these teachers, peculiar attention has been given to the kind of quality which the teacher is delivering, the subject matter expertise which the teacher has, and most importantly, the exclusivity which this teacher is teaching CMA students. So I've been telling you all this while that guys, if you are studying CMA course, then you should not take video lectures from any other professional courses teachers. Why? Because even if you think that the provisions are the same, or the law is the same, or the content is the same, but the depth and breadth in which the content is discussed in that video lectures might be entirely different from your CMA course. Hence, we need a gamut of teachers, we need a collection of teachers who teach specifically and exclusively to CMA students. And yes, in my endeavor to pick and choose teachers selectively for all my CMA students, guys, I have been able to form this CMA dream team. Go on the community tab and you will find certain posts which discloses the teachers which are handpicked for this CMA dream team. Now let me tell you my strategy for preparation of future. Okay, so guys, students can be bifurcated into two parts. A, those students who have qualified, or A, those students who have passed inter-examination, or those students who have failed either in finals or in intermediate. So guys, specific classes are available for all the subjects, foundation, intermediate and final, which are exclusively dedicated to CMA students. Those classes are available in the CMA Dream Team under one umbrella. Name of the umbrella is Bright Vision Academy. Headquarters of Bright Vision Academy is located in Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi. So you can of course visit us and meet all your mentors. But if you are staying outside Delhi, then you can call us on the given numbers and we will be able to assist you. Specifically for those students who have failed unfortunately in this particular attempt and are willing to give June 21 attempts, guys, we have revisionary classes for you at amazingly discounted price. Check out the CMA Dream Team poster which is given in the community tab. So yes, this is the objective of today's video. Handpicking of teachers specifically for CMA students, giving you exactly what you need, a course content which is based on your study material. And another aim, another dream which I always had, guys, selling video lectures. If you are an online student, then selling video lectures is not the end of the game. That is actually the place where game begins. Post selling of the video lectures, I have personally made sure that all the teachers agree to give live sessions to all of you, either once a week or once in 2 weeks or once in 3 weeks, as per their availability. They will be connected with you. Regular doubt sessions will be there. All your queries will be resolved on a regular basis, and live sessions will be organized for you. Test series will be organized for you. Regular interaction with the teachers will be available even if you purchase these pen drive lectures on an online mode. So yes, one-stop destination, one-stop shop for all your CMA video lectures need Bright Vision Academy. Check out the posters in the community tab. Sir, in the thumbnail you've written Bay. Sir, who's your Bay? We are really inquisitive to know. Guys, my Bay are the 3 standards which I have ensured that these video lectures contain. Standard number 1, best quality. quality of the teaching has to be superior, quality of the teaching has to be up to a amazing level. For example, for final students, the quality of teaching has to be an expert level teaching, because final students are expected to know more than whatever is written in the study material. So the first and foremost focus of these video lectures is having best quality. B, affordable price. So we have certain in-house teachers whose combos might cost you an amazingly affordable prices as compared to certain other teachers. So we have multiple combos, we have multiple combination. Please ask the counselors that which combo will cost me less if you have cost constraints, and we understand after Corona there are a lot of cost constraints with all of you. Please ask our counselors which combo will cost us less, and trust me, costing less doesn't mean quality will be compromised. The teachers who have agreed to provide their classes at a reduced cost as compared to their peers, as compared to the other teachers, they will make sure that their quality is maintained up to the required standard. So don't worry about the quality. Quality will not be compromised even if you are buying a combo which is a little affordable as compared to other combos. So there are multiple options. Demo lectures are available for all the teachers. Please ask the counselors to give you demo lectures. Please ask the counselors as many questions as you want regarding the teachers, their qualification, their experience, their study material, what not. Just call them up. And third, last and foremost, is exclusively for CMA students. Yes, the course content of these video lectures will exactly be impressed, exactly be derived from the study material of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, and no other source will be used for creating these video lectures. So your entire study material of the Cost Accountants of Institute of Cost Accountants of India, along with MTPs, RTPs, past examination questions, etc., will be covered in these video lectures which you are going to buy. So yes, that's what I call a dream of providing affordable education, exclusive education, and best quality education to all my CMA students. Gone are those days where you have to go to coaching institutes which are providing classes for CA students or CS students or BCom students, and you have to compromise saying that, okay, let me study from a teacher who's not teaching CMA, but I'll do some study material after completing my course from this particular teacher. Gone are those days. These classes are exclusively meant for you, only and only for CMA students. So call now at the numbers given in the poster which is there in the community tab, and take benefit, maximum benefit of these offers, these discounts, these combos which are available exclusively for my CMA students. So yes, that's all for this particular video. We'll meet in our subsequent videos. Till that time, all the very best and happy studying.